Gawas. Gawas na. Go. Hello, sweet. Good evening.
Hello, teachers. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you tonight?
I'm fine.
Oh, that sounds great. Do you feel okay that we start earlier tonight?
Yeah.
Uh, Orto. Okay, so much for that, sweet. So, I'm going to tell you in advance that I have a camera error. So when you get notice, my camera is just turning on and off. Please ignore, okay?
Okay.
Okay, can you hear me clearly?
What?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So in this evening, we are going to learn about here. Our new topic is about fame, the unit 1. Finally, we are done to our introduction of upper intermediate. So this time is we are going to open the unit in unit 1, fame, the vocabulary and word skills. There we go. So in our first part here is the part 1. We're gonna learn about personality adjectives, compound adjectives, the media, digital media, and extreme adjectives. So at this moment, sweet, you are going to expect that we are going to learn this in this evening. Okay? Okay, so we have here the first sets of vocabulary. First, we have bossy or bossy, always telling people what to do. Please read.
Bossy.
Bossy, bossy, like
Bossy.
that.
Always telling people what to do.
Very good. Next is we have
Cautious.
cautious, being careful about what you say or do special to avoid danger or mistake.
Casual. Being careful about what you say or do, especially to avoid danger or mistake.
Okay, next we have considerate, always thinking of other people's wishes and feelings, careful not to hurt or upset others.
Considerate. Always thinking of other people's wishes and feelings, careful not to hurt or upset others.
Very good. Next, cruel. Having a desire to cause physical or mental pain and make somebody suffer.
Cruel. Having a desire to cause physical or mental pain and make somebody suffer.
Okay, next is eccentric. Considered by other people to be strange or unusual.
Eccentric.
Eccentric.
Eccentric. Considered by other people to be strange or unusual.
Okay, next is
Gullible.
gullible. Gullible. Too willing to believe or accept what other people tell you and therefore easily tricked.
Gullible. Gullible to willing to believe or expect what other people tell you and therefore easily trigger.
Okay, next is industrious. Working hard, busy.
Industries. Working hard, busy.
Insecure, not confident about yourself or your relationship with other people.
Insecure. Not confident about yourself or your relationships with other people.
Okay, now, sweet. Which vocabulary that you didn't understand?
Hmm. So, some um, some I know, but some I don't know.
Okay, what else? Okay, I'm gonna tell you. Do you know what is bossy?
Hmm.
Hmm?
No.
Okay, so when we say bossy, the definition here or the meaning says always telling people what to do, meaning the word boss. Always telling people what to do. So, example here, if you are working, you have a boss, your boss is always telling that people what to do. Okay, do you get about bossy? In short, boss, the
Yeah.
higher position. Okay. Next, cautious. When we say cautious, being careful about what you say or do. So, are you familiar with caution? Caution like this. Caution words. Caution and cautious. This one, caution, you're going to use this one an action. When you are going to use cautious, being able, being careful about what you say. So you are very careful what you are going to say to avoid mistake or danger from your mouth. Meaning you're going to be careful not to speak bad words or any mistake words. Get?
Hmm.
Uh,
Yeah.
okay, wait. I'm gonna tell you again. Okay, let's talk about cautious. The keyword here, being careful about what you say or do. Meaning, you are very, very careful about what you are going to say. You are not saying any bad words or any things that can hurt someone or harm someone. You are going to avoid making this mistake about telling. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. When we say considerate, always thinking people wish and feelings. Careful not to hurt or upset other. So the keyword of being considerate, careful not to hurt or upset others. So meaning you are so very considerate because you are not going to tell or always thinking other people wish and feeling. Okay, next is cruel. Having desire to cause physical or mental pain, make somebody suffer. So when we say cruel, you're going to make bad physical cause or mental pain, make somebody suffer. Example, you do always your friend saying bad words. So you are cruel because every day you say bad words to her. So she is going to have a mental pain. Okay, next is eccentric. When we say eccentric, it's considered by other people to be strange or unusual. So the keywords here, eccentric is strange or unusual. Okay, next is gullible. Willing to believe or accept what people other tell you and therefore easily trick, meaning you are very easy to believe. And then sometimes these people is going to easy to trick. So if someone says you, oh sweet, go to the convenience store. Your mom is there. And then you go to the convenience store, your mom isn't there. So you are gullible because you are easy easy to believe what people says. Okay, again, sweet. When we say gullible, that is people always get you trick or you're going to gullible, you easy to believe. Okay? When we say gullible, easy to believe. Example. Example, if I'm going to say, oh, sweet, go outside. Your mom is waiting to you. And then you go outside, your mom isn't there. So you are very easy to believe. Okay? That is gullible. Next. Next, industrious. Working hard or busy. When we say working hard, you work from the morning up into the evening. So you work hard. There is no end. You're going to rest because you are going to sleep. And then you just sleep in just for 3 hours or 4 hours only. So your sleep is not enough because every people needs to sleep at 8 hours to up. Okay, next is insecure. When we say insecure, Chi, meaning you are not confident about yourself. Okay, now Chi, do you have any question here?
Mm, I want to know something but I don't know. I don't remember.
What?
Consider.
Ah, okay, considerate. Ah, consider, okay. When we say considered and confident, and what else? Only
Mm,
consider,
and
consider, unusual, relationship. What else? Confident, mental pain. What else?
how?
Okay, let's talk about first the mental pain. Okay, so listen carefully about the mental pain. When we say mental pain, so are you familiar with headache? Your
Yeah.
head is so very Headache, your head is broken, but there is not bleeding. You just like heavy head. Okay, from the word mental. Oops. Okay. From the word mental, sweet, so meaning from your brain. And then
Yeah.
pain is just like a normal pain, has a mental pain. So sometimes if you are going to think a lot, you think a lot of problem. Have you tried that your head is so very hurt?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that is a mental pain. Your head is so very hurt. That is the example of mental pain. And then sometimes if you have a if your head is hurt, you cannot sleep, right?
Yeah.
Yes, so that is a mental pain, sweet. That your head is hurt. Because why your head is so hurt? Because you are going to think a lot of problem. You have a lot of problem to think.
Okay.
Okay. So do you get about this?
No.
Okay. Next is considered. When we say considered, meaning you agree. What is another term of considered? You agree.
We don't have close.
What?
Close.
I
Close.
didn't.
Close considered.
Mm. You don't know what is considered?
Yeah.
Okay. When we say considered, you are going to agree. You consider yourself that you are belong to there. So meaning, example, sweet. Mm. Example, in your school, in your room, there is a of people there, group of people like you have a friends, and then that friends is example, considered resulting from careful thought and deliberation. So you are going to consider yourself. You're going to consider yourself that you're going to be careful because that someone is not familiar to you. Example, chief. So you have a circle of friends. So this is your friends. And then this is your friends. These are goods. So good or not bad. And then so since you are good, so you are going to consider yourself to be part of your friends because you are good too. So you are going to join this group of circle. That is the another term of consider. When we say another part or another meaning of consider, you're going to thinking, you're going to careful thought, or you're gonna respected and highly regarded. So this is like just you're going to consider yourself you are belong to that group because you are good. Example, another example of consider sweet. Okay, another example of consider. Okay, wait. Okay, so I'm gonna write here considered. Okay, can you see considered? So this one is a person one, and this person two. And this is you. Okay, so this is you. Can you see my writing?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is, okay, remember, sweet, this is you. And these are the group of girl, okay, group of girl, meaning another person or another people. And then these people know how to dance. So they are dancer. So, and then you know already how to dance. So you is you know to dance. And then you're going to ask this person that you're going to say, "Oh, I am I am belong here. I consider myself because I know how to dance. I consider myself to join this group because I belong to this group because I know how to dance." So meaning you have your own thought that you are going to fit in that position. You consider yourself to being part of this group like that.
Yeah.
Okay. So any question?
Mm,
Okay, next.
mm,
So this one, unusual. You don't know unusual?
I don't remember.
Okay, so when we say unusual, not familiar. Another keyword, another term of unusual, not familiar. Or uh, unusual things that the things that you can't do. Example, singing. It's so very unusual to you because you are always dance, 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 and then your teacher, oh sweet, you're going to sing. So it's so very unusual to you because you don't know how to sing because you're just dancing. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, next is confident. You don't know what is confident?
Now,
Mhm.
yeah.
When we say confidence with, you're going to say what is the best example of confident? Hmm. You are a shy type. You
Side
example
time.
you are a shy type. When you are going to say shy, meaning you are scared to talk, scared to talk to somebody or to someone because you are ugly, you are
Mm,
ugly, and then
mm,
you don't know how to wear a dress carefully. So that's why you don't have a confidence. So you are going to boost your confidence so that you are not scared anymore to show the people that I can do that. You are not shy. Shy. Do you know what is shy? Do you know what is shy?
I know.
Okay, when we say shy, another term of uh when we say shy, you are scared to show yourself.
Mm,
You're scared to show yourself in the public, but not scared in the what do you call that one? Okay, example chi. Example sweet. You are walking in the street, and then while you're walking in the street, you encountered the set of girl wearing sexy dress, like has a good dress, and then you are going to hide on the wall. You hide. You're hiding because you don't want to see yourself. That girls see you because you are wearing not so very good dress. Meaning you're going to hide yourself. Hide. Hide.
I
Yes, hide. This one, hide. Do you know what is hide?
no.
Okay. Uh, I'm going to tell you about another term. Well, okay. Another term of confident. Wait, I'm gonna clear this one. Okay, you're asking about confident and relationship. Okay, wait, we're going to talk about this one. Mhm. So this is the confident. Confident. Do you see relationship? Relationship. So this is relationship. Example sweet. Are you let's talk about first the relationship. Are you familiar with girlfriend, boyfriend,
Yes,
married, married, your mom and dad
yes,
relationship? So your mom and dad are both are married, so we call them a relationship. Okay?
okay.
Okay. Your mom and dad have they are love each other, so we call them relationship. And
Yes,
then this is only example. If you have, so this is you, sweet, and this is you, this is you, and this is the boy, and then this boy is your boyfriend. So you have a relationship because love each other.
yes,
Okay? And another term of relationship, not only love, not only by the girlfriend, boyfriend, but your relationship also to your mom and dad. So this is you. This is you, sweet, and this is your mom and dad. You have a relationship with your mom and dad. Okay?
okay.
So, why I'm going to ask you why I'm telling you first the relationship confident. Are you familiar that in the movie girlfriend and boyfriend they are hide, not show. They're not showing their relationship to the public. So you're going to hide your relationship to the other people, meaning you keep it. You are going to keep yourself. Keep.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, do you have any question here?
No.
Okay, so are we clear about the words that you didn't know?
Yeah.
Okay, let's proceed here, sweet.
Oh,
Okay.
oh. I want try.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want to write this one, the first set?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna write the meaning of confident. Confident, feeling, or showing.
Okay.
Okay, done? How about this one? The confident meaning.
Okay.
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 Okay. Okay, let's proceed to our next slide. Sweet.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have here another set of vocabulary. First, we have judgmental, judging people and criticizing them too quickly. Okay, please read.
Judgmental. Holding to choosing people and criticizing them too quickly.
Okay, can you say judging?
Judging.
Okay, next we have passionate, having or showing feelings of sexual love or of anger, etc.
Passionate. Having or showing strong feelings sexual love or of age, etc.
Okay, very good. Shrewd or shrewd, clever at understanding and making judgment about a situations. Okay, wait.
Shrewd.
Shrewd, shrewd.
Rude.
Mm,
Clever at understanding and making judgment about a situation.
okay. Next is spontaneous, not planned, but done because you suddenly want to do it. Is
Spontaneous. Not plans, but not planned, but because you suddenly want to do it.
okay. Next is stubborn, determined not to change your opinion or attitude.
Stubborn means not to change or plans or attitude.
Next, sympathetic, kind to somebody who is hurt or sad, showing that you understand and care about their problems.
Sympathetic to somebody who is hurt or sad, showing that you understand and care about their problems.
Next is vain, that does not produce the result you want.
does not produce the result you want.
Okay. Okay. Do you have any question?
Um,
Hmm.
Judgmental. Next,
Judgmental.
um,
Wait
what
for determine. Okay. What else? Determine.
no,
Only determine. You don't know.
you no,
Okay. Uh, Judgment. What else? What else?
no, oh yeah,
Criticizing. Mm-hmm. Anything.
no,
Okay, so let's talk about first. Uh, let's talk about criticize. Okay, let's talk about criticizing. So meaning you're going to critics, but you're going to critics yourself. These people is bad or good in your own idea. You're going to give your own opinion or your own judgment. You're going to criticize. Criticize. From the word criticize, you are going to, you need to, you have your own opinion. This person is bad. This person is good. You have your own result by looking at only the person or people. Example, Sweet. In the street, he look a stranger, and then you are going to criticize the stranger. Oh, this man is so bad. So you already have your thought. This man is already bad. So you're going to criticize. You're going to judge. Yeah. So by just looking, and then another term. You see the little boy walking the street, and then you said, "Oh, this little boy, it's so very lonely." And then you come to the little boy. That boy is not so lonely. They living a happy, or he is happy. Okay.
yeah,
Next is judgment. So when we say judgment and criticize is the same. You're going to
yeah,
judge. Yeah. You're going to judge that person. Not only the person, but you can judge the things, the cell phone, anything. You're going to judge. Oh, example, you see my phone, and then you didn't use it, and then you see my phone. Oh, teacher, your phone is not so good, even if you don't know how to use it. So you have your own judging. You judge already without testing or doing anything it. Gets? Next is determine. Meaning, determine, you're not going to change. Not to change. So, uh, example, your attitude now, your attitude is good. Meaning, you are not stubborn. you are not going to angry or not lonely. You just like happy. So from day one up to the end of your life, just always happy. You are going to determine about your emotion. You always happy. And take note, another meaning of determine. Example, sweet. In our study, while we are learning today, you show your determine because you are going to from the start to our learning until now. I see yourself has a determine that you're going to learn, really, really want to learn. So you have to determine yourself, oh, I need to learn English. And then you're determined, so you're just going to learn, not stopping. Okay?
Okay.
So when we say opinion, share your idea. Another term of opinion, idea. Your thoughts. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is attitude? Attitude, good, bad. What is bad attitude? Doing something not good. Mistake. Uh, you are going to not listen to your mom, not helping to your mom. So your attitude is not good, meaning you are so very hard-headed. Your mom cannot talk to you because you're always angry. You have a bad attitude. In attitude, we have bad and good. Okay?
Yeah.
Any
Okay.
questions with?
Now.
Okay. Do you want to write?
Yes.
Okay, go.
Means red word.
What?
The red was don't have means.
Yes, yes.
Mm.
Okay, wait, I'm going to write. What word do you want?
Oh no, no. I want now means the red word.
Red works?
Yeah.
Can you
Uh,
can you write?
is
Ah, okay. You don't know about this?
uh um um
Okay. You don't know about these all, the red words.
yeah.
Okay. So let's learn. Okay. First, I'm going to read. Can you see my writing?
Uh, yeah.
Okay. So first is judgmental. When we say judgmental, you are going to judge people. Judge people like crit- same criticizing, and judgment. They are the same meaning. You're going to judge that person good or bad by looking at only once.
Yeah.
Okay? So, sample. Sample this use cell phone. So you're going to judge my phone. Oh, teacher, your phone is not good. Even if you don't know how to use it, but you already told that this phone is not good. So you already judge, mental, criticizing, judging, judgment. Okay?
Okay.
The words judgmental, judging, criticizing, judgment is the same meaning. You're going to judge good or bad. Okay, next. Passionate. So when we say passionate, showing, having or showing strong feelings. So about love or sexual love. So let's talk about you are very passionate learning. Learning. So this one, passionate and determined, has the same meaning. You're passionate, determined to learn how to speak English. So you have a strong feelings that someday you know how to learn.
Yeah.
Okay? Next
Okay.
is crude. When we say screwed, clever to understand and making judgment about situation, meaning you can understand easily that situation. Example, these two per this one, this is one person, another person, they are just talking, but you have a strong mind, so you have an easy understand. So these two person are arguing or fighting. So in your mind, oh, this person are fighting, so I didn't come close to them.
Yeah.
Okay. Next is spontaneous, not planned but done. So when we say is spontaneous, example, sweet, tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday. You go to the school. You don't have plan to play basketball, but you already done playing basketball.
Yeah.
Okay? You are not plan, but you already done. And then at the end, you already want it. Okay, next. This one is stubborn. When we say stubborn, this is the kind of attitude, not good attitude, bad attitude. Stubborn, always bullying, hard-headed, like that.
Yeah.
Sympathetic. Sympathetic, you have a kind to someone. So meaning you are so very kind, good heart. You have a good heart that someone is hurt or sad. So example, sweet, if your friend is hurt or sad, so you're going to comfort her, hug her, you're going to say, oh, don't you worry, my friend. It's okay. It's okay to be in broken like that. You're going to comfort. Okay, you give a hug, give an advice. Okay, next is vain. That not produce the result you want. So when we say vain, example, Chi, you are cooking. You're cooking a noodles and then the result of cooking noodles is not delicious. The that you didn't like the result of the noodles after you cook, but you cook well and then the result of that noodles is not good. So you don't your the result that you want, you cannot produce it because you don't want that result.
Yeah.
Okay, any question here?
No.
Okay, so I think so we can continue this one, sweet, because it's already time. It's already 8:49. So we must learn only 45 minutes. So we will continue this one on Friday. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, goodbye, sweet. If you want to add session so that we can learn lot of time, you can chat in our GC. If you want to learn 1 week, 3 session, just tell me, okay?
Okay.
So that we can learn fastest.
Okay.
Okay, so sweet. Goodbye and good night. See you on Friday.
Yes. Goodbye, teachers. Good
Okay,
evening.
goodbye. Hopefully you can learn tonight. Goodbye.
Yeah. Goodbye.